Hello guys, welcome to MudaCode Academy. The topic of today is the nested if statement, as I earlier said. So you can see it here, nested if statement. We are going to talk about nested if statement. So in order to understand what the nested if statement works, or how it works, or what it is, we are given a real world example. The example is here. Write a program that asks user to enter his score and output the grade. The hint is given to us here. 0 to 39 is F, 40 to 45 is E, 46 to 59 is C, 60 to 69 is B, 70 to 100 is A, and greater than 100 is considered as invalid score. So how can we write this program? Firstly, we are going to declare a variable that will keep the score for us, that will store the score for us. So float score. Why did I declare it to be a floating point number? I declare it to be a floating point number because score can be a number with decimal parts. You can score 45.5. It's very, very possible. So I did not declare it as integer because it can be a number with decimal point. So firstly, we're going to say cout, enter your score. This, then we can come here and say cin score. So this line of code is going to display to the user, hey user, enter your score. And then it will be waiting for user to enter his score. So this is cin. So this cin, as you all know, is going to accept our input and store it in the variable score. So whatever the user has entered as a number is going to be stored in this our variable. Then we are going to check if our score is greater than, let's start from A. If our score is greater than or equal to 70, and at the same time, our score is less than or equal to 100, then we open bracket like this. We say cout grade is A. Let's leave it like this. Grade is A. So in this our if here, line 11, computer is going to check what is inside the score variable. Let's make a comment here. Let's say already we know that this is our variable. Let's create a comment here. These comments, they are not part of our program. Computer don't read comment. Comment is for you to understand what you're doing. So here, let's assume the user enter 56. Yeah, let's assume the user enter 56. So 56 is being stored in our score variable. So computer will check, is 56 greater than or equal to 70? The answer is no. So therefore computer is not going to check this our if statement. But let's assume the place here, let's assume we score 77. So if computer come here, is score greater than or equal to 70? Is 77 greater than or equal to 7? Yes, 77 is greater than 70. So this is greater than work. Therefore, this condition is true. Computer will check the other part. Is it true? So is score less than or equal to 100? Score is less than or equal to 100. 77 is less than or equal to 100. Therefore, computer will run this. However, if the user enter a number that is not 77, let's say 45, this line of code, line 12, is not going to work. Therefore, we have to put the else if. So we have else if. So this is called nested if statement. It is nested, one inside one. So else if our score is greater than or equal to, we are done for A, let's go for B. If our score is greater than or equal to 60, greater than or equal to 60. The reason why I put equal to here is because including the 60 itself. So a number that is greater than 60 is B. and the 60 itself inclusively. That is why I put greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to 60, and score is what? Is less than or equal to 69. So the last area here, the highest point in which we can have a grade B is 69. Once a student score a number that is above 69, then therefore it's out of range, meaning he has left the boundary of what? Of B. If the number is greater than 69, maybe he reached 70, so therefore it's somewhere here. So that is it. So we copy this line of code here, Ctrl C, and we paste it here. Then we change our grade to be B. Then we come here, else if our score is greater than or equal to, let's do the one for C. Score is greater than or equal to 50, and at the same time, score is less than or equal to 59. We come here, and then we paste again. So we change this to C. Then after this one, we come here again, else if our score is greater than or equal to 45, and at the same time, score is less than or equal to, it's 45 here. This place is supposed to be 40. Yeah. So from 40 to 45, A, B, C, D. So it's D. Then we have D here. How about E? We have else if our score is greater than or equal to 0, and score is less than or equal to 39. Then we have F, A, B, C, D, E, where is 40 to 45? No. We skip one. It shouldn't be like that. So 40 to 45 is E. F, E. Where is D? Maybe I skipped some. Okay, let's rearrange the program here. I think there is a mistake in the equation here. We skip one. 0 to 39 is F. Yeah, correct. 40 to 45. This one is supposed to be 40 to 44. 40 to 44 is E. And then 45 to 49 is D. Yeah, 45 to 49 is D. That is how it's supposed to be. And then I'm correcting my comment in line 6. And then 50. This one's supposed to be 50 to 59. Yeah. So here now, D here is supposed to be 45 to 49. So let's just change the number simply in line 17. 45 to 49 here. Yeah, 49. I hope you guys can see. Then I come here and then 45 to 49 is D, and then we have 40 here. Supposed to be greater than or equal to 40, and then less than or equal to 44. Then this one should be E. Then we have else if our score is greater than or equal to 0, and at the same time, this and means both the two conditions must be true for computer to run the program. If the first one, let's take an example, line number 19. If score is greater than or equal to 40, but score is not less than or equal to 45, therefore, computer is not going to run this line of code. that is line 20, is wrong. It's not even going to enter into the else if. It's going to keep on going, search for the correct one. So that is the nature of the AND. See the AND here, I highlighted. If it is O, computer just wants one of them to be true. So this is how the AND work. Yeah. So else if our score is greater than or equal to 0, and at the same time score is less than or equal to 39. So this is F now. We have control B here. Score is F. Then we have else. Let's put else. So our else, that is anything that is other than this, anything that is outside this thing. So as we see out, invalid score entered. Yeah, maybe something like this. So let's reduce this. Let's run this program and see how it works. Enter your score. So we say 0 to 39 is F. Let's start testing from A. So A should be a number from 70 and above. So let's try 71. Grade is A, correct. So let's run the program again. Let's try for B. 65 is within the range of B, correct. Let's try for C. 50 is C, even 55 is C, correct. Our grade is C. Let's try for D. I think D is 45 is D. Yeah, 45 is D. 45 is D, correct. So let's try for E. E is 41 is E, or 40 is E. So let's try for F2. I think for F is even 19 is F. 19. Let's try 19. So 19 is F. So let's try to enter a number that is greater than 100. This is 101. Invalid score entered. So let's try a negative value. Let's say minus 65. Invalid score entered. So I think this our program is working correctly, perfectly as we want it to work. So this is a practical way to use your nested if statement, and you can also use it in different places. This if statement is one of the most useful syntax in programming. In different places we use if to check condition. As I earlier told you guys in my previous video, if this is the first time of you visiting this channel, check our playlist. You are going to learn more before this point. The else if statement, the conditional statement itself in general, a conditional statement, it is one of the three programming construct. They are sequencing, selection, and iteration. So can I write it here again? I write it in the previous video. Sequencing, selection, and iteration. So sequencing is that computer read the program sequence line after line. Computer read line 8 before line 9, before line 10, before 11. Computer read line after line. Then for selection, that is what we're doing. Selection is all computer select the one that suit our requirement. So in this line 11, if score is greater than or equal to 70, and at the same time, this means at the same time, check this side and this side. If the two are true, then run this line. However, if only one of them is true, don't run anything. Forget about it. Keep on going. So this is selection. We're making selection here. This choice. And then the last one is iteration. We're not up to iteration. Iteration is loop. We're going to loop as soon as possible. So this is how the nested if statement works.